Next room, 4 holes, some wiring. So they left the layout up to me. 4 go in this room. Obviously we're gonna have 2 there and 2 here. Look at this. This is where the refrigerator goes. So they did a remodel in this, and that's the original spot for the refrigerator. But they moved it up against this wall here. It's very strange. I think they're getting a counter depth one, the young couple that's moving in, so that it doesn't intrude so much into the room. But I really hate. You guys think right here? I think we're just gonna pick a spot. Inhale too much asbestos. When you inhale too much of it, it gets in your mouth, and you get a weird taste in your mouth. So I started out 24 inches off of everything. My gut is saying 24 inches off the cabinet is too far in. What do you guys think? What's proper spacing for recessed lighting off the face of cabinets? For some reason, 18 inches is sounding better, but I don't want them getting too close to the cabinets.
It's a nice color. Tomorrow morning I'm going to get hitting up that patch. Actually, I might do the actual drywall portion of patching that tonight. I will mud it in tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Hope you got some use out of that. Points that you should take away from this little project is that it's very, very, very easy to do. Nothing real special about the project. You could use a coat hanger instead of my glow stick. You could use a keyhole saw or just a saw blade to cut the holes instead of my carbide hole saw to cut the circles. The only thing left in this project is that one ceiling repair that is where the original light was. You'll see that in another video. Please give the video a like, leave a comment down below if you got a question. Check out my Instagram. I'm uploading, random videos. Some projects from the past, like before YouTube and before Instagram were around. I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Goodbye.